Is your closet overflowing with clothes you never wear? Winter is the perfect time to transform it into a serene space. These simple tips will help you create a minimalist, organized haven that simplifies your daily routine. But before, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as we want to help you and others on their minimalist journey. Decluttering your closet is not just about tidying up, it's about creating a stress-free environment. A well-organized space can reduce decision fatigue and make winter mornings more enjoyable. Embrace the change for a calmer season. Begin your decluttering journey by emptying your entire closet. This allows you to see everything you own and assess each piece with fresh eyes. It's the first step toward creating a more intentional wardrobe. Once your closet is empty, sort each item into 3 categories: keep, donate, and toss. This process helps you focus on what truly matters and lets go of what no longer serves you. Reflect on the past winter and consider what you actually wore. Identify your winter essentials to ensure your closet contains only the pieces that are both functional and loved, making dressing a breeze. Choosing quality over quantity is key to a minimalist wardrobe. Investing in durable, versatile pieces ensures longevity and adaptability. Opt for timeless styles and neutral colors that can effortlessly mix and match, maximizing your outfit options without overcrowding. Organizing by function streamlines your dressing routine. Group similar items like sweaters, pants, and coats together, making it easy to find what you need. This approach reduces decision fatigue and keeps your closet orderly and efficient. Maximize your closet's potential by utilizing vertical space. Installing additional shelves or hooks creates more storage options, especially for accessories and shoes. This simple trick can dramatically increase your closet's capacity without requiring a major overhaul. Uniform hangers bring a tidy, cohesive look to your closet. They prevent clothes from slipping and maintain a consistent appearance. Opting for slim, non-slip hangers can also save space, allowing you to fit more items neatly. Bulky items like sweaters and coats are best folded to save space and avoid hanger marks. This method keeps them in pristine condition and ensures they're ready to wear, preserving their shape and quality over time. Store off-season clothes efficiently by utilizing underbed storage boxes or vacuum bags. This not only frees up valuable closet space but also keeps your winter wardrobe easily accessible while protecting other garments from dust and damage. Implementing a cohesive color palette simplifies outfit coordination and enhances visual appeal. By selecting a few complementary colors, mixing and matching becomes effortless, reducing decision fatigue and ensuring a stylish, streamlined appearance every day. Display accessories like scarves, hats, and gloves using designated organizers. This ensures that these items are easily accessible and neatly stored, preventing them from getting lost in the depths of your closet and saving you precious time. Labeling everything in your closet provides clarity and order. It helps you remember the purpose of each section, making it easier to maintain organization and quickly find what you need, especially during busy winter mornings. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your wardrobe is key to maintaining a minimalist system. By routinely assessing your clothing, you ensure that your closet reflects your current style and needs, preventing unnecessary clutter from accumulating over time. Keeping your closet minimalist and organized offers numerous benefits. It creates a serene environment, reducing stress and decision fatigue. With fewer items, your wardrobe becomes more functional, helping you focus on what truly matters each day. Implement these tips to transform your closet and share your success in the comments. Your feedback and stories inspire others on their journey to minimalism, fostering a community of support and shared experiences. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your time and enthusiasm for minimalist living. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tips and inspiration for a simpler lifestyle. See you in our next video.